This is the second part in the will versus be going to predictions and decisions series. I'd like to say a really big thank you to the team at Test English for allowing me to use their material to make videos to put on YouTube. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to go through how to use will to talk about making predictions and decisions. As you can see, we have a grammar chart here. So we have very clear, concise information comparing the use of will and be going to. Here we have the structure. So in the positive, we say I will pay. So will is followed by the infinitive without to. So we don't say I will to pay. We say I will pay. And the contraction is I'll pay. In the negative, I will not pay. And the contraction, I won't pay. Question, will you pay? Short answers. In the positive, yes, I will. In the negative, no, I will not. The contraction, no, I won't. Notice, in the positive, we don't make a contraction in the short answer. So in the positive, we say, yes, I will, not yes, I'll. In the negative, we can make the contraction, no, I won't. Now, looking at the meaning. So, using will to talk about making predictions. We use will when we think something will happen. So, this is our personal opinion. So, he will love your presents. That is my opinion. They won't win their next match. Again, my opinion may be based on intuition and decisions. When we use will to talk about making decisions, we're talking about instant decisions or spontaneous decisions. So, decisions made at the time of speaking. A says, we don't have any milk. And B says, don't worry, I'll buy some milk after work. So, this is a spontaneous decision. B decided to buy the milk when A said, we don't have any milk. If we scroll down the page, we have some more in-depth information. We use will to talk about something that you think will happen. So again, personal opinion. I think he'll win the election. That is my opinion. He will be a good doctor. Again, that is my opinion. Sometimes there is very little difference between will and be going to for predictions. I'm going to go through that in the next video after we've looked at how to use be going to make predictions. Use will for decisions that you take at the moment of speaking. So instant decisions or spontaneous decisions. Oh, we don't have any sugar. Don't worry, I'll buy some. So B made the spontaneous decision to buy sugar when A said we don't have any sugar. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you found this video useful. And I'll see you in part 3.